What sets successful tech founders apart isn't just their technical skills, it's their mindset. In this lesson, we'll explore what it really means to think like a startup founder. At the heart of the startup mindset is a deep belief that problems are opportunities. Where others see obstacles, founders see a chance to innovate. This attitude fuels resilience, creativity, and resourcefulness, all essential traits for navigating the roller coaster ride of entrepreneurship. Thinking like a founder means getting comfortable with uncertainty. Startups rarely follow a straight path. Plans change, markets shift, and users surprise you. Instead of aiming for perfection, great founders focus on progress. They experiment, gather feedback, and adapt quickly. They know that execution beats ideas and that shipping a rough version today is better than waiting for a perfect version tomorrow. Tech founders also cultivate a bias toward action. They don't just talk about building something, they build. They write the first lines of code, email the first 100 users, and pitch the first investors. Speed matters in the startup world. Acting decisively and learning on the go often separates those who succeed from those who stall. Another key mindset trait is a strong sense of ownership. Founders feel deeply responsible for everything, from the product to the customer experience to the team culture. They're willing to do whatever it takes to move the business forward, even when it means stepping far outside their comfort zones. Being a tech founder is also about embracing a learning lifestyle. The best founders are always curious. They read, ask questions, seek mentors, and stay humble in the face of new information. They understand that growth, both personal and professional, is continuous. Finally, founders understand the power of vision. They don't just build products, they imagine better futures. They rally people around a mission and inspire others to believe in it too. This sense of purpose helps them push through the hard days and attract the talent and support needed to succeed. By developing this mindset, you're not just preparing to start a company, you're building the foundation for long-term success in the tech world. So let's dive in, shift our thinking, and start building like founders.